Hey guys, just want to make a little quick video here how to make homemade yogurt, or in Serbian kistelo mlijeko. So I'll get straight to the point, and this video will be short and really easy to make. So what you're gonna need is 3 liters of milk, so at 3.25%. The second thing that you're gonna need is plain yogurt, about 8 ounces or 225 grams. The yogurt should be, as you can see here, 6% fat, and this brand is really good. But if you have something else nearby in your store, just get that. Doesn't really matter as long as it's plain. So as long as you have all this stuff, the next thing you're gonna have to do is take a pat like this big, put the milk in there, and put it on the stove, and that's gonna be the next step, so I'll record that second. The milk put in your pot. What you want to do is put the temperature like right here on like 8 out of 10, and keep an eye on the milk, so the temperature should come to about 100 or 212, depends on what you're using, or you can just keep an eye on it or buy one of these to be safe. So I have the milk here for a few minutes. It's already going up, so seems like it's going up pretty good. It's at 150, 160, so still have a little bit to go, and we'll come back when the milk comes to about 100. Okay, so you guys can see the milk is boiling, it's raising up, so we'll take it off before it goes over. And see, this is what you want to do. You don't want it to go over. It's perfectly done. So the approximate temperature here, you can see it's getting close to 200 Fahrenheit. So just keep an eye on that. You don't want to make a big mess. So now the step is just to get the milk cooled off so it's warm, and then we'll add yogurt, and that's going to be the next step. So guys, after about half an hour letting the milk cool down, you'll see this is about what you should be getting for temperature. Once it reaches this temperature, the milk should be like very, not hot, so it should be like warm. Then after that, what you're gonna do is add the yogurt in the 8 ounces or 225 grams. Once you add the yogurt, mix it with milk, just like this. I'll show you in this video. So make sure to mix it really well so it combines with milk and yogurt together, just like that. Okay, once that's done, put a lid on top. Then you're gonna put in a blanket and make sure to wrap it really well so that the temperature keeps and that's the procedure how you're gonna actually get the yogurt, by doing this most efficiently. So there you go. So there you go. Once everything is wrapped up, we'll leave it on the table in the room temperature outside for 10 hours. Once 10 hours passes by, it's ready to eat. But for the best results is you should put it in the fridge for a few hours so it gets the better texture and a little bit colder. And once you are done with that, it's ready to be eaten. So I'll see you guys in about 10 hours plus 2 hours in the fridge. So see you guys in about 12 hours, and I'll show you the results. Okay guys, so it's been outside for 10 hours, then we put it in the fridge for 2 hours. So right now we're taking it out. So the whole thing took about 12 hours. So we'll give it a look here. Look at this, guys. So good and perfect. So let me give it a try. Wow, this is amazing. You guys gotta give this a try. Oh my god. Oh, delicious.